Okay, guys. So with this, we have seen this node. So let us go for the lunch break now. What time you want to come back? This is the 13:15. You want to come back at 2? Right? Yeah. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Yeah. We have seen all the deviations here. And only deviation is no flow and pump trip. And we have taken one recommendation.
Only they can bypass when both the machine is not working. That is not the
line with no wall, no isolation.
No isolation.
Okay, isolation is here, no? It is here and here. After the filter.
But there will be no white flow because they will connect.
Isolation wall is required. But because
If they will connect this pipe above the maximum water level, then there will be no white flow.
Yeah, all the time then they need to drain out completely.
But if machine is stopped, they have to drain.
No, but maintenance case, what Imran is saying that if you have maintenance here, so you have to close it, otherwise reverse flow.
Maybe coming point render.
Ahmed, can you let us know? I'm sorry, otherwise this will be action for you. This is not good. After the dishwash, this line is going and there is no isolation. In case of maintenance, if you want to have the maintenance here, and there is a possibility of reverse flow.
Not
so
reverse flow is possible. Isolation for the maintenance. You need to keep it maintained. No, but you need to keep water for isolation wall.
See, isolation walls are
How like the outlet retaining wall provided